A field walkover is a visual assessment of erosion and erosion potential on a field-by-field basis. On-farm walkovers help target management practices in areas where the potential for impacting erosion or water quality are high. This video will take you step by step through a field walkover and help you identify areas of risk and how to fix erosion concerns. Step 1. Learn to identify these 4 main areas of concern. A concentrated flow area is where water gathers to exit a field. This photo shows visible erosion in a concentrated flow area. A waterway outlet is where water exits the field into a drainage ditch, culvert, or body of water. Widespread infield erosion is evident when several water rills are visible throughout a field. Stream banks are vulnerable to erosion in times of heavy flow. Once you have learned some common areas where erosion occurs, the next step is to evaluate your fields and the conditions during vulnerable time periods. Discovery Farms research has shown that vulnerable times for soil loss include April, May, and June because of the combination of high amounts of runoff and limited soil cover. Having an established cover crop during these vulnerable time periods can help protect soil and keep it in place from being lost. High amounts of residue can also keep soil in place during vulnerable time periods. This is a photo of soybeans in June that were planted without tillage. Now you can set priorities to properly manage areas that are erosion prone. Signs of erosion throughout a field might mean that tillage is too intense for the landscape. If you see erosion concentrated in one area of a field, a good technique is to install or repair an existing waterway. Keep in mind that not only ag fields are susceptible to erosion. Areas commonly in need of a closer look are located where cropland meets boundaries like property lines, wooded ravines, or where waterways transition between landowners or land uses. Don't forget to utilize existing resources that are in place to help you meet your conservation goals. Get in touch with your local NRCS and Land and Water Office. They are a great resource for making decisions about conservation on your farm. See the full field walkover guide that includes decision trees and more on the Discovery Farms website.